We are recording.
Hi, so this is Team Atlas for the final project, and we have created a COVID stat atlas. So essentially, it will give us some depictions of different data, specifically case, vaccination, and death data for different intervals of time, and we'll see it on an interactive map. So once you get into our repo, you can go ahead and run npm install to install all of the dependencies for front end, back end, anything using Python. And then after you're ready to go, you can run npm test, which will like start everything up and then shut it down just to make sure it's installed correctly. And as long as that's all good to go, you can just run npm start. And when you do that, it starts database, or it starts server, creates the database, and pulls up our front end. So we used React for this. So as soon as you get onto our app, it comes up with a sign in page. So you can either sign in if you have an account. If you don't, you can click on this button and we can go ahead and sign up. So I'll put in this and I'll say the password is yes. And if I put in two separate passwords or passwords that don't match up, it'll let me know. And I can go ahead and click sign up when I'm ready to go. And then the screen will disappear. So as soon as we get in, we see that we have some drop downs at the very top for metrics. So we have cases, deaths, and vaccinations, and we have 4 different intervals of time that we can use. So we can hover over each of these countries and it tells you the country name and the number of people per, or number of whatever metric that is, in this case, cases per million people. And they're all also color coded to scale basically by the worst countries are the darkest, the reddest, and the least countries are closer towards the white or the lighter shade of red. And this map is also movable, so we can like move around and zoom in as well to any country that we want. And anytime I want to see something else, I can click on deaths. I'll update instantly, so you can see wherever the worst places where deaths due to COVID have been happening and change the intervals, like the last 30 days where it's been worse. And we can see that for vaccinations as well. So we can also open up on our accounts page by clicking the top right, and it'll pull some data from the database. So in this case, it'll pull our email address. And from here, we can update our password if we felt like it, or delete our account. So let's go ahead and update our password to no and click on update info. So after that happens, the changes have taken effect as long as it dismisses, and we can go ahead and just refresh this to try to sign in again. So if I try to use yes, it's going to say invalid email or password. So we can't log in using that. But if I type in no now, we're able to log in. So now those changes were taking effect and we can go back to using the app again. And say I want to now just delete my account, I can simply just click delete account and it'll sign me out. And now if I try to sign in again, it's going to say invalid email. And now I'm able to sign up again. I'll change the password to yeah if I want and click on sign up. And other thing is that you can't sign out with the exact same email twice. So if I said use the same exact email again, click on sign up, it's going to say already in use. So that means I have to go here and sign in. So that's our app. Thank you so much. And we were glad to have taken part in this awesome experience. Thanks.